Good morning, 5 class. How are you all? Today our topic is personal and possessive pronouns. We will do it from OIE textbook page number 142 and 143. Our learning objectives are: spell and make correct use of possessive pronouns, use pronouns making clear to what or when they refer. Students, we have discussed time and again about pronouns in our classroom. But now again we are going to recall it. What are pronouns? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Pronouns are used to avoid repeating the same nouns over and over again. So what does it mean? It means that pronoun is a word that can replace a noun in the sentence, and we can use pronoun instead of, in place of noun. And why we use pronoun? It avoids repetition. It gives variation in our writing, piece of writing. Pronouns, the use of pronoun is very useful and effective when you do your creative writing, when you do paragraphing, when you write text. So, and you have to use nouns again and again. So, to avoid the repetition, we use pronoun in place of nouns. There are several kinds of pronouns, including personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. What are personal pronouns? For example, he, she, they. These are the examples of personal pronouns, and possessive pronouns examples are his, her, and yours. So today we will do personal and possessive pronouns. Open your textbook, page number 142. Textbook, page number 142. Our topic is personal pronouns. First of all, learning objective is given. Learning objective we have read already. Then in red box, definition of personal pronoun is given. We are going to read again. Personal pronouns indicate a person or a thing without naming it. So rather than saying the boy or the girl, we can use the pronoun he and she. So again, this is the thing that personal pronouns shows a person or thing without naming it. We can use, and rather than saying the boy or the girl again and again, we can replace the nouns with pronouns he and she, like he and she. Come on, A part. A part is the extract all summer in a day. This is a comprehension passage that is on previous pages. Uses a lot of pronouns, so as to add to the mystery, fill in the table below. Now a table is given us, and one column is pronouns and second column is number of times used. So what you are going to do, you have to read this text, and you have to find these pronouns which are personal pronouns, and you have to see how many times these pronouns are used in the text. And then you have to write in number form in front of the pronoun that how it is used, for example 3 times or 4 times in the text. So you will write 3 or 4 in front of she. Pronouns are she, they, them, you, and it. All these are examples of personal pronouns. Come on B part. B part is pick out the personal pronouns in the sentences below and say which nouns they refer to. Example is given. Fatima and Ahmad picked some apricots. They found them in a garden. So what we are going to do, we have to see pronouns, personal pronouns, and we have to see, read them in sentences, and we have to find which nouns they refer to. For example, Fatima and Ahmad, they are noun and they refer to Fatima and Ahmad. Then them is used for apricots. In the same way we will do the next one. 3 sentences are given. First I am going to do Tigger is a spaniel. He is only a puppy. The children are very fond of him. So he is personal pronoun, and him is again used as personal pronoun in this sentence. He is used for Tigger. The children are very fond of him. Him also refers to Tigger. So he and him both are used for Tigger. Next sentence, when Mr. and Mrs. Smith sent Raphael a new bag, he wrote to thank them for it. So here nouns are Mr. and Mrs. Smith and Raphael. He is used for Raphael and he wrote to thank them. Them is used for Mr. and Mrs. Smith. In this way, you will do next sentence. Next sentence you will do your own. Philip had not seen Angelique's new car. He asked her to show it to him. I'll just tell you what are personal pronouns. You have to tell to whom they are referring. So, he, her, it and him. These are 4 personal pronouns which are used in this one sentence, and now you will tell to whom they are referring. Come on, C part. C part is, in the following sentences, replace the word underlined with personal pronouns. Jasmine met Javier and Alan. Javier and Alan, they are noun. We have to replace these nouns, these 2 nouns with any pronoun. So we will write Jasmine met them. Them is used for Javier and Alan. Mary met Nasreen. Nasreen can be replaced with her. Wasim met Mary. Wasim can be replaced with he. Lesia and I met Angela. Then we met Angela. Sharon and Jamila met Hilary. Sharon and Jamila, they met Hilary. Emily and Belen met Hilary and me. Emily and Belen met us. So these pronouns can be replaced with these given nouns. So this page was about personal pronouns. Now come on next page. Next page is about possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns, first of all, learning objective is given. We have read this one. In red box, again definition of possessive pronoun is given. So I am going to read the definition. Possessive pronouns are pronouns that show ownership. So possessive pronoun shows the ownership. The possessive as possessive name shows that it is related to ownership. So example, yours is over in the corner, that chocolate is mine. So yours and mine, they are highlighted, written in red ink and in bold writing. So these show that they are possessive pronouns. Come on, A part, that is practice. Pick out the pronouns in the sentences below. There are at least 2 in each sentence. So this is, you have to pick possessive pronouns from each sentence. That book is mine, not yours. Mine and yours, they are possessive pronouns. Ours is way over there, so where are yours? Ours and yours, they are possessive pronouns. Next 4 sentences you will do your own. I am just going to read. Everyone has different colored shoes. Yours are black, hers are green. Next sentence is, here is your car, ours is over there, his is around the corner. Next 5 sentence is, I found my key, but Mary couldn't find hers or his. Last sentence is, all the performances were good, but his and hers were the best. Now this was the A part, and you have to pick 2 possessive pronouns from each sentence. B part is, use the 5 pronouns you found in A in 5 sentences of your own. G. Now what you are going to do, this part, first of all I will tell you, this part you will do on your language notebook, and you have to use 5 pronouns, and you have to pick 5 pronouns from A part, and you will use them in your sentences on the notebook. C part, this is oral part, and I'm just going to read it. As possessive pronouns focuses on who owns things, they can appear more frequently in disagreements or arguments. So here is the usage of possessive pronoun, that they can be used in disagreements and arguments. So you can do this activity with your sibling or your friend. 2 young children are arguing about who should have a book, write their conversation. You can write on any loose sheet, or you can do it orally. So this was about possessive pronoun. Next is homework. Homework, do part B from OIE textbook, page number 143 on language notebook. So only this part you will do on your language notebook, other than all the part will be done on the book. So this was our today's lesson. Thank you so much.